Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to Any Tech. It's that time of year again. Christmas is coming up and you need to be prepared. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 10 of the best and coolest tech gifts to buy. I've spent hours finding some of the most impressive products that's guaranteed to blow you away. I'll try to keep most of the prices low, and I'll put links to every product below. I do get a bit of a commission when you use these links, but that's what helps me continue this channel. So let's get right into the video. Now the first item is from Brand. Now whatever device you have, from laptops and phones to PlayStations and headphones, Brand sells a perfect case or skin to fully customize it and make it something to be proud to display. You can get covers customized with your favorite YouTuber's theme, you can use your favorite designs customized from the frame to the back, you can add skins to your cameras and trackpads, the charger, whatever the product, you can let your imagination run wild and get the product you truly deserve. It's extremely easy to apply the skin or the case. Not only does it personalize your product, but also adds a layer of protection to your valued devices. It's low prices and something I fully recommend. Now next up is the Color Light Smart LED panel. It's a nice and much cheaper alternative to the Nano Leaf Aurora light panels, although it's a bit smaller, giving your setup the perfect finishing touch. It's nice and easy to set up. You can connect them and make any shape and design, and then you just need to connect it to a smartphone app you can download, or you can just manually control the lights on the back. But I'll definitely recommend using the app, as it gives you all the customization and the ability to create your own lighting effect, which is one of the many effects that they have. It comes with a stand, so you can prop them up and put them anywhere that looks nice, or you can even mount them on your wall with some double-sided tape. Now, if you're looking to create a nice peaceful festive environment, then this next one is for you, an electric fireplace. It provides a realistic look of burning flames on a calming scenery with burning logs. It also acts as a heater with adjustable temperature and flame intensity. There are 5 brightness levels and 2 heat settings for all the adjustments. You can use the included remote control or the side panel or the gadget. It even includes a smart safety system that shuts off in case of overheating. And the best part, it's absolutely smoke free. It's a must have for Christmas holidays. Now this next one is especially useful for now. Oblio's wireless charging station. It's not just a normal wireless charger you find lying around your house. Oblio's wireless charging station includes an antibacterial UVC LED which completes a 20-minute sanitizing cycle once your phone charges. Your smartphone carries over 17,000 different types of bacteria, and this wireless station kills 99.9% of them. It's a nice clean looking device and there are multiple color choices. Think of how many things you touch during the day. Now think of how often you touch your smartphone. To stay safe, especially during the coronavirus, this is a must-have device. Now coming up at number 5 is for the gamers. The glorious PC gaming race Model O, an extremely great budget-friendly $50 lightweight gaming mouse. There are 8 different versions. You can get it in a nice matte black or white, or even a glossy black or white alternative. And there's also the regular Model O, or the Model O Minus for those who have smaller hands. The matte versions are $50 and the glossy versions are $10 more. But what's really impressive here is the weight. The Model O comes in at just 67 grams and the Model O Minus comes at 58 grams. It's extremely smooth and comfortable, and there's an integrated RGB lights on both sides and on the scroll wheel. And the Pixel 3367 sensor is extremely popular and very reliable, so it's an amazing gaming mouse and an amazing price. Number 6 is a product that seems like something from the future. If you're not a gamer and aren't interested in the last product, then this product is definitely for you. This product provides you with a virtual mouse or trackpad that can be projected onto your desktop or any surface, eliminating the need for hardware that may clutter your work surface. The Odin can project a bright red light that shows the image of a trackpad. You can then hover your fingers over the hologram using the trackpad as you normally would. This would be the perfect product to use alongside a virtual keyboard, giving you a completely virtual setup, which leads me on to the next product. The Seraphim Laser Keyboard. Now this keyboard isn't like any normal keyboard, not just because it's a virtual keyboard, but because not only does it act like a normal PC keyboard, it also serves as a virtual studio with over 4 musical instruments, including piano, guitar, bass and even drums. You can download the official app and you can actually have your own virtual studio, which is pretty neat if you're a great musician or if you just want to show off to people. It pairs with your PC, iMac, Android or iOS with a simple Bluetooth connection. There are multiple language layout options which a lot of similar laser keyboards don't have, and the size is great too. It easily fits in your hand and you can put it in your pocket and take it wherever you need to, and you really don't need to worry about the battery as it runs on 10 hours on a single charge. The typing experience is great and extremely accurate. The keyboard layouts of current laser projection keyboards are square keys with no space in between, so it's easy to mistype unwanted keystrokes. That's why Seraphim designed the round button layout to fix this problem. With a calculated round key design, you won't hit the wrong key again. So over the past few years, fully wireless earphones have really dominated the industry. I mean, Apple just launched a major new product yesterday, the Apple Airpods Max, coming in at £550. But they're really expensive, and a lot of times you just want to get something that's a lot cheaper, but that's still a very decent pair of fully wireless earbuds. And here are the Teratronics Sound Liberty 95. The earbuds feature 7 hours of listening, 28 hours with the case. They fit really comfortably in your ear and have an amazing microphone, and it's splash proof. It also has touch control to control your music, answer calls, control the volume or even to activate Siri. It also has noise cancellation and easy one-step pairing. It's overall an amazing pair of earphones and an amazing price. Next up is EchoSpot, a compact all-in-one device that will show you the time, the latest news, your calendar, wake you up in the morning, and show you the lyrics whilst playing your favourite song. And these are just several functions from the list. You can make calls to friends and family, or make video calls to anyone with an EchoSpot, Echo Show, or the Alexa app. The device features far-field technology with 4 microphones, beamforming technology, and enhanced noise cancellation. It can also hear you from across the room, even while music is playing. And I almost forgot, this device can control multiple devices at a scheduled time, all with a single voice command, like locking the door and turning off the lights when you go to bed. By the way, you can use EchoSpot to see a live camera feed. I bet you won't find a better helper around the house. LaMetric Time. LaMetric has developed a new smart bar that may add a bit of flair to your home or office. This product was originally designed as a clock, although customers have found new ways to use the LaMetric. The bar pairs with your smartphone and comes complete with its own app store, meaning there are hundreds of different apps to install on the device that can show tons of information at the push of a button. You can install a radio, a stopwatch, weather alerts, reminders, and even message boards. If you're a YouTuber, you can even have the clock display your current YouTube subscriber count. All you need for operation is the clock and your phone. Pair the two together and you're good to go.